again with another video, and this time it is moving day. I am in my new apartment currently, and I'll show you guys like a little rough draft of like what I got going on right now because it's still very messy and I gotta organize things, and I still have some stuff in my other house that I need to bring as well. So everything, it's not finished. It's basically gonna be like this is like kind of what it's gonna look like, you know. Here's the front door to my room, and then when you go this way you see my bed. Right now the TV's on the floor because it doesn't fit on these dressers I have, but this is my bed. That's my desk and my chair and my mirror. Hello. These are the dressers I have. They're stacked so you can like unstack them and stuff like that, but right now they just have like a whole bunch of stuff, and my desk is very messy at the moment. And that is my view from my room. You can see a pool and some people grilling all the way over there. And I just hung up these pieces of like artwork. They're like prints that I got offline and just put it in a frame. Then this way you can see my closet. There's like a rod here if I want to put a curtain, but I don't think I will. Again, it's very messy at the moment, but this is what I have at the moment. And now you're entering my bathroom. This is it. Hello, a very nice big mirror, and the lights are up there. And then down here I have cabinets and 3 drawers. Over here is the toilet, and then the shower over here. The curtains didn't come with this place, I got my own, but that's fine. And then there's a rack right here for towels. I know it's messy, I'm fixing everything. And then a hook right there as well. So this is just like one video. When I come back here, I'm bringing more stuff and I'm gonna organize and everything like that, and you'll see that in videos. And also you'll see like a final apartment tour as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.